In this video, you will see how to find an ad account on Meta. If you are new to advertising, finding your Meta ad account can be a little bit confusing. And if you have not bookmarked the ad account, it will take you several clicks in order to go into your ad account. So today I'll try to simplify this process for you. To find an ad account on Meta, go into your Facebook profile, make sure you are in the right personal profile, and then click on this 9 dots here, menu. Then go down where it says ad. Then cross this out. So this is going to be your personal ad account. If you are using a personal ad account, which I absolutely will never recommend you to do, but if you are using that, this is going to be your personal ad account. Now, if you are using an ad account from a business manager, there are several ways to do that. So if you click here, see more ad accounts, you will see your business manager, and then you can go into an ad account there. For example, I'll go here. So you are in the right ad account. You can also go to an ad account from your business manager or business setting. So in order to do that, first go into your business setting if you know how. And then if you have multiple business managers, select the right one. Then go down towards the middle. It will say ad account. And then select the ad account if you have multiple of them. And on the right, it says open in ads manager. So this is another way how you can visit your ad account. So once you are here, you will need to click on the left. It says campaigns. That's it. You're going to be in the right ad account. So first go into your personal profile, then click on the menu, then go into ads. You will go into your personal ad account. From there, you can go into the ad account that is associated with your business manager. That's how you do it. Another way is you can go into your business manager and then go into your ad account. That is also another way to do it. So once you are in the right ad account, make sure you bookmark them so that it's easy for you to find that. So for example, I've bookmarked. So with one click, in 1 or 2 seconds, you will be in the right ad account. This is the best way to do it, to bookmark them. Put a thumbs up if you have liked this video. If you'd like to see more content on Meta and Instagram campaigns, please subscribe.